Kulfi is an Indian dessert. Many flavors of kulfi are available. Today I am making rose kulfi. It is very delicious. For this we need to boil 1 liter of milk and we'll have to condense it. We will reduce it till half. In the meanwhile, we'll make a powder of dry fruits. I have used almond and cashews. Make a coarse powder. Also add sugar to it. Use mild sugar because we'll be adding rose syrup to it. Also add finely chopped pistachios. They will look beautiful and it will have a texture. Add a little saffron and cardamom powder to it. Now add rose syrup to it. Adjust the quantity of the rose syrup as per the desired color. It should look light pink. The flavor of the rose kulfi should be optimum, neither mild neither strong. Then only the kulfi would taste delicious. I think I would be requiring a little bit more of the rose syrup to make the flavor a bit stronger. Adding a little rose water and kevra water also enhances the taste. That's it, it's sufficient and I have obtained the desired color. Look how beautiful it is looking. I can't take off my sight out of it. Allow it to cool at room temperature and then we will deep freeze it. For freezing the kulfi you need a mold. You can use any kind of mold. I am using a rectangular mold. I am putting a cling film inside the mold so that I can easily take it out and then I would be cutting it into slices so that I get rectangular slices when I eat them. Ensure that the cling film is bigger in size so that when you fill the mold you will cover it from all the sides. The top layer of the kulfi mixture should be covered with the cling film and it should be touching the layer so that no layer will develop upon the kulfi. Also, it will prevent any formation of ice crystals. Neatly pour the kulfi mixture inside the mold. Adjust the cling film. One of the ends of the cling film has become small. Don't worry, I will fold it. Just watch till the end so that you know how I am folding it. I am using 2 molds so that I have more number of pieces. This time I have taken a bigger cling wrap so that easily covers the kulfi. At this point, neatly fold the kulfi with the cling wrap so that it looks professional and there are no lines on the surface of the kulfi. Once it freezes, it will look smooth. Freeze it for minimum 8 to 10 hours. Using a cling wrap makes it easier to take it out from the mold and cut into pieces. Since I can't resist to taste the kulfi, I have taken it out within 4 hours and it is semi-soft right now. Just see how the texture is. You can make rectangular pieces out of it and it is edible. You have to be fast while cutting the kulfi into pieces and serve it immediately. I could cut 8 pieces out of this mold. Isn't it looking tempting? Do try out this recipe and let me know in the comments how you liked it.